This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 84 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue, we're taking a break from the foot. I thought the gun was finished, but it isn't. We're going to continue with that for a little bit. Looking at the trilogy versus the fourth film. Yeah, things changed up a little bit, didn't it? Like the Fallen in the second film, the creators established themselves as the real threat. I really remember the creators, not really sure about that. Hiding the Transformer robots inside. Pretender technology. Okay, not sure about that. Organic shell which can become another bat. Very strange. Cup. What does he become? A cup. Does he become a cup? I don't know about that. Prime Autobots, the Prime team. Optimus himself, another variant of him. I'm not sure about that. Prime Pax. Not sure about him. Bulkhead, no, don't remember that. Bumblebee, obviously. Ratchet, yeah. Not the variations of them that I remember, but there we go. See, yeah. So the Iron Blaster Part 3. Shield is added to the weapon on the left arm. So where I thought it was attaching into his hand, it isn't. There's a shield bit on the outside. Probably another bit to go on the inside of that, because that doesn't look quite finished. So, yeah, got some more work to do on that. So let's get the gun a little bit more complete. So I have dug out the gun that we've built so far. This is what we've got today, and two little bits and some screws to add that together. This one goes on there like that, slots in place, and a screw will hold that in place. What do we need? A DP screw for that. Oh, ouch gum. There you go. That holds that piece in place on there. Yep. Yeah, so this is not finished. It's got some more attachment points. It's probably going to be basically another half of this that will hold that together. But first, the CCP screw holds that onto there, where I thought attached to him doesn't. That attaches onto there. Pin goes through there. This screw will hold that onto that. So there we have it. A little bit more attached to that, and still where his hand's obviously going to hold the grip of that. But yeah, that's all right. Does the job. Looks quite good. And that is a nice little aside for now. Next time we'll go back to continuing the foot, or I think indeed starting the leg. So I'll see you for that in just a sec, or another day. Bye for now.